Here we go, we're back at it. I'll just do a quick update. Been a bit busy getting the car rebuilt, so here we sort of stand at the moment. She is looking really good. Doors are on, bonnet's not, because the bonnet's looking really good. I haven't put it on yet because obviously I'm doing dash stuff, so I've got a few wires and bits tucking in there, so I want the bonnet out of the way for a minute. The boot's not on because there's two little runs just sitting down there, so I'm just going to leave the boot off out the way until I'm at the stage I've got that wet sanded, which will probably be next month now. Yeah, we're getting on. The door gaps are exactly, obviously I've got a rubber seal in there so you can't really see it much, but the door gaps are measured side to side and they're exactly the same to the millimetre, which is pretty good. Been down to see Brendan Moss a couple of days ago to pick Dubstop, get some parts. Got some door seals. It's a bit dark in here. Got some door seals because I don't want the doors obviously clacking on the metal. So them getting done. The carpet's been out, pressure washed it. All I used in that was just a floor cleaner from Aldi. Sort of 50-50 mix, some hot water, soaked the hell out of it. Squirted the pressure washer till it's all bubbled up, left it for 20-50 minutes, and then just again pressure washed off again, let it dry. It smells good too. I had to buy a new dash because the old one shut up, has got a, there we go, big split there. You can repair them, but I couldn't be bothered because there's also another one there and another bit there. So I got another dash from Brendan, which is all cleaned up, looking beautiful. It's all bolted in. There's one little mark on it, which is down there, but it's next to nothing. Dashes are 30 odd years old. You're not going to get one without a mark. Right, let's climb in. I'm inside. Yeah, so dashes all in. Can't see anything here. This is terrible. Bit better. So yeah, we got the dash back in. I've just put all the clocks back in. All clean them up. Looking good. All connected with everything back up. I've also got in here electric window wires. Now, when I got the car, when I got the car, it had electric window motors in it, and obviously they're all seized and knackered, so they got went in the bin. But I'm at the point of trying to find out what I want this as close to factory as possible, and rather have it small bumpers on it. But obviously I've got electric windows in there, which the wires are actually into the loom, so it's not like it's been put in there. And on my last couple of Golfs or GTIs anyway, it hasn't had those wires in there, so I presume it's from a factory option to have electric windows in it, which is fine. But there's no other wires for it. I've got the wires for the centre console. Terrible. Yeah, centre console, but there's no wires around that area, so I'm going to have to have a look into that. Just pop the rear lights on as well, just because I can. Looks nice when you've got finally got some lights in, which looks pretty cool, making it look like more of a car. They're actually the original 16 valve lights, because I presumed that 16 valves all had a tinted rear lights, which is wrong. Up to I think 91, 92, they had these lights, which are the original 16 valve lights. After that, 91, 92, I think they started doing half smoked, but they weren't definitive for 16 and 8 valve, 16 valve even. They came on 8 and 16 valve, and I think on the 1 in 5 10 million oak greens, whatever the colour they were, they had half smoked. But yeah, they're the original lights, so that's good, so they can stay on there. What other issues we got? Yeah, the stalks I broke when I took the dash off, so I got another set of them from Brendan, because I presumed I had the hazard switch on the stalk. Turns out I don't, it's on the dash, which I think on the dash means it's an earlier model, and when it's on the stalk is when they sort of facelifting it, I guess. Again, there's a lot of things I need to sort of probably asked the question up on the Mk2 Owners Club, and see if we get some good answers, because I normally do. So that's where we're at the moment. It's just sorting through broken dash, boxes of, this is all the stuff that came with the car when I got it, just boxes of everything. I have got 90 spec stuff in here, and colour coded boot plinth, wherever it is. I don't actually know what the plan was when this guy had the car, or girl. I think the car was a small bumper, and they wanted to put it a big bumper, smooth it all, max power, all that rubbish. And I know the codes on the boot sticker, the codes in there, a lot of people say, oh yeah, check the boot sticker, but 90% of those codes now, maybe less, have been reused, so they're sort of irrelevant in a way. I know I done a code thingy online to find out what the codes in my car said it should have, and according to that, I'll put the picture up as well, that this car came with 15-inch steel wheels and 22-inch tyres, so that shows you sort of how accurate they can be nowadays. But ideally, I think this should still be a small bumper with, I'm guessing, the electric windows and optional extra, but we'll dig into it and see what's what, but that's where we're at for the moment. So I'll keep chipping away. It's feeling really good getting all the interior back in, because I can get all the interior back in this month, hopefully, which gives all the body chance to dry. The next month I can wet sand it, get it all polished and buffed up. Hopefully shouldn't have to redo anything, so after that I can start getting windows in, and bits. I've still got to respray the sunroof and the chin spoiler thing on the grille, but they're only little bits, so I'm not really worried about those. So cool. Cheers.